Hello traders, hope you're doing well. In today's video, there's a lot of important topics to cover. I'm currently traveling, so it's uncomfortable for me to use the camera, so please adjust. The first thing which I want to speak about is US market. Now, yesterday when our market was closed, in the US, there was an important event which is FOMC meeting. Everybody were eagerly waiting for Fed chairman speech. Now, during the speech, what Jerome Powell said is they're going to maintain interest rate at 5.5%. That means there is not going to be any change. This is something the market already expected. But apart from this, what the Fed chairman said was we have no plans of increasing interest rate any further than 5.5. So market treated this as a positive news. Dow Jones was just trading flat. After Fed chairman's speech, there was a continuous rally towards the upside. Not just Dow Jones, even in S&P 500, you would see the same kind of movement in the market. And in Nasdaq also, the movement was similar. But later point of day, you can see all the three index came and closed at the almost same level where it opened. This is because, yes, the Fed chairman has said there is not going to be any interest rate hike in the future based on the data which is available right now. But there is no proper confirmation saying that when is going to be the next interest rate cut cycle. So at least by 0.25%, if they would have reduced the interest rate, this would have been a positive news. But they have not given any update as of now when is going to be the next rate cut. Beginning of the year, what they said, at least 4 rate cut we will have, but now they're not speaking about this. So people believe that rate cut will come only in the month of September or October. The market just closed exactly at wherever it opened. Now the same thing happened in our market today. Bank Nifty, it opened somewhere here, moved towards the upside, and it gave a closing somewhere near today's opening itself. Now what about Nifty? In Nifty also, the market moved towards the upside first, and then it just gave a closing on a positive note, but the movement was just 45 to 50 points, right? Throughout the day, it was just consolidating within this range. Now today morning, after looking at this US market chart, even I expected the same. My expectation was Nifty and Bank Nifty will move towards the upside, but at the upper level, we can see a correction. That is what I wanted to capture. Now, if you remember in our yesterday analysis video also, while discussing about Bank Nifty, I said at the upper level, near 236 level of Fibonacci, we can expect a correction. That is when we can consider a put option trade. You can say exactly from this level, there was a correction in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty also, I said at the upper level, we can see a momentum towards the downside. Compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty did not make that much of a movement. After this fall, it went under consolidation, but we captured this move in Nifty today. Now in our private Telegram group, the first thing which I did today morning was identify important support and resistance level for both the index. In my next update, I said as of now, what I'm looking at is how market reacts when it touches our resistance. If Nifty breaks resistance and shows weakness, then that is when I'm going to look for put option trade. Now exactly at 10:23, I gave this update saying that I have planned my entry and this is for educational purpose. Now the reason for my entry was Bank Nifty gave a breakout. Nifty was respecting our resistance area. Maximum my expectation was market can go up to 22,706 I believe, which is 618 level of Fibonacci. Here a stop loss is small. If we get a nice target towards the downside, we can try to capture that. I wanted to capture even bigger movement in the market. But here also one thing that you would observe is Nifty came to the supporting area. Bank Nifty had given a breakdown. Bank Nifty breakdown, Nifty coming to support, then there is a chance of reversal. That is why in the private Telegram group, I gave the final update saying that second chance to exit exactly at 11:23. Later point of time, you can see market was just trading within a range. That too today was expiry. If we had held on to the trade for longer duration, we would have been trapped. Now the next thing which I want to discuss about is gold. Today also gold has fallen by 1.12%. Traders, this is not any kind of trading or investment advice. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. As far as the Fed cuts the interest rate, gold also will stay volatile. But whenever there is a dip, I feel that is an opportunity for us to accumulate. Not just gold base, but also gold on companies like Muthoot Finance and Manappuram Finance. Our next update which I wanted to discuss about is Titan. There was an update in Mint today which said the net profit is likely to raise 8% year on year. Now traders globally, all the gold loan companies and also jewelry companies are performing well. Like Titan, Malabar, all of these jewelry companies are also performing well. But as of now, I feel Titan if I check the fundamentals, it is expensive even though it is a good stock. The price of the stock as of now is overvalued. In the future, maybe I will consider the stock. Now, the next thing which I wanted to speak about is there has been an update about Adani Enterprise where their Q4 net profit dropped to 38%. Now, this is a negative news because of which in Adani Enterprise today, the stock stayed bearish. Even though the stock as of now it's very close to the support, I will not consider because I personally do not hold any Adani or Reliance stocks. As per my fundamental analysis, the first thing which I look at is the management. The management of Adani or Reliance is good, but I cannot relate to it. So rather than these stocks, I would focus more on Tata stocks because that is a company whose management I like. There are a lot of things which I don't want to discuss in detail here. In this kind of situation, rather, I will try to consider Tata Motors DVR, which I've already discussed in the previous session, then considering Adani Enterprise. Now, traders, today our top loser is Kotak Mahindra Bank, where it has fallen close to 3%. Now, traders, if you look at Kotak Mahindra Bank daily chart, you will see today's low is equal to last 3 years low. So the stock has been underperforming from the last 5 years and today it has gone below 3 years low. As of now, is this stock good to consider? I would not consider because RBI is closely watching the stock. They've asked them to make a lot of changes to improve the onboarding experience. As of now, there is no NPA. That means people who have taken loans and they have not repaid. Like that, it's not happened in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Even though fundamentally this stock is strong, management is strong. As of now, I will not consider the stock. Rather, I will focus on Karnataka Bank because I see more value in that stock. So traders, these were some of the updates which I wanted to share with you. Now let's quickly discuss about trading plan for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday itself we have marked this trend line because continuously it is acting as support. Now today, after correcting a bit from 236 level of Fibonacci, continuously Bank Nifty is moving towards the downside. Tomorrow, let's say it broke today's low. I'm not interested in a put option trade. I would wait until the market comes to the trend line support, which is also 0.5 level of Fibonacci, which is 49,040. Okay, if market is showing any bullish sentiment forming a W pattern with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option because here anyone who entered put option, they're holding their position, the stop loss will be on top. To hunt the stop loss, market can move towards the upside. At this breakdown, I will not enter put, but near 0.5 level, if market is forming any bullish setup with small stop loss, I'll consider a call. My first target will be 49,250. Second target will be 236 level of Fibonacci. If market directly breaks this level, that is when I'll plan my exit because there's no other stop loss hunting level towards the upside. After creating a false breakout, market can reverse. Now since Bank Nifty is forming higher lows and higher highs and moving towards the upside, the next higher low can be near 0.618. So even if market gives a breakdown here, I'm not planning for any put option trade. I will wait and watch what market does at 0.618, shows any W pattern setup. Again with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call. Or better thing that we can do is wait and observe what market is doing near 0.5 or 618 level. Here if it is coming out of 0.5, that is when looking for a call option is better, where this area will be the first target and next target will be 236 level. So reversal near 0.5 or 618. This is what I'm looking at for call option trade. We will plan for a put option trade only if market breaks 0.618 level, which is 48,780. Retest again if it breaks. Then with small stop loss, we will plan for a put where our next target will be 48,500. This is a psychological level. If this level is broken, next target will be 48,200. When market comes out of 0.618 level, after the retest, that is when planning for a put option, according to me, is better. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens with cap up somewhere here or here, if it holds on to this upper range, please don't consider this as resistance and plan for a put because there is a possibility of breakout. During the live market, we will identify important resistance and support. Just like today, I will share that in the private Telegram group. Based on that, we can plan our trade accordingly. If market directly breaks this level, then we have an opportunity on the put option side because I don't think there is any stop loss hunting level towards the upside. So from here, if market corrects, then 49,250 will be the first target. Next target will be 49,400. 40. Saturday and Sunday market is holiday, so please don't carry forward your position until Monday. If there is any further changes, we will update in the free Telegram channel. The link is there in the description below. You can check it out. Now let's look into Nifty. Traders, this is Nifty chart, 15 minutes time frame. On this chart, you can see this trend line is acting as a good support. Next time when market comes to this support, near this support we have 0.618 level of Fibonacci resistance, which is 22,550. So tomorrow if market opens somewhere here or here, even if it gives a breakdown, many people will enter put option trade. But I personally feel until 0.618 level, we have to look for any reversal setup. If we get that, I'll consider call. Only if market goes below 618 level, retest and gives a breakdown, that is when I will consider a put option trade. Tomorrow if market directly breaks, planning for put is not a good idea. But one important thing that we need to observe here is Nifty was just consolidating within a range. After consolidation, both the side movement is possible. If market breaks down, at what level can it reverse? That is what we need to wait and see. Near 618 level, when I get a reversal, that is when I'll be planning for a call option trade. In my yesterday analysis video, I had discussed at the upper level, I don't think there is any stop loss based on the data what we had on Tuesday. But now continuously 22,700 people are considering this area as resistance. They have sold a lot of call option here. You can open option chain data and check, and also put option buyers would have entered. Market can open with a gap up after removing weak put option buyers from the market. Again, if market gives any bearish setup and it goes below 0.236, that is when I will plan for a put option trade. Why I'm not planning for a call is market is very close to all-time high level. After reaching this area, I'm not sure where will be my next target. Only thing that I can do as of now is if market holds on to this range and gives a breakout, I can consider a call after a consolidation, a call option trade. Directly if it breaks here, I expect a reversal in Nifty. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.